right, my people, welcome back, welcome back. So yesterday we talked about a program of Nwayi, where she actually says something about the so-called reporting to FBI and all that with a woman in US. There's a woman that called her, okay, in her program, and they were talking about how to report, Chinowafa to FBI and all that. So I just want to share it. This is the full comment because I promised her that I'm going to upload it. So I tried to upload it here on this our second channel for a record purpose. Makechi. Or that. So let us go through it together. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. Very, very important that you do so. So let me just, because I don't want to waste much of your time, let us start immediately without delay. Let's start.
Hello.
Adandum Bunandi again.
Anna
Ekoma.
Ayo.
Igirigen Yibo.
Anne.
Or Sunday or Wednesday.
Dandemu.
Wow, Wadune. Enupa.
Nine.
Kuli Ndibo ni.
Annem. Gawo
Kuli Alabia.
Gidi.
Nemo Jupentege.
Nigeria.
Wow. Are these people this low? Are these people this stupid?
Got it.
They've gone here before. I want to go with the Biafra. There's no link on our platform here. Obviously, how long go hold with these fools? Now his own platform now to have. These are people say group Ezioku. You can't even handle the Ezioku yourself. Emma Ezioku. Emma go down my handle. Only thing now is you na jojo. Come on down now, Joe. There's no one in the following way at Tina. Obuna Obvious driving by the Ajojo wine
control
humble idiot. And always fool. These people, I told you before, they are out of touch with reality. America, USB Abiago. Obuana na achọwo na Biafra e change ihe na anụnwa to USD. Unu nwasị na Obiago na azazi the USB, which means e nwere another USB. USB nke anyị nwanwelu na chinwe as Biafra abịabeghị. Because anyị nwetaba ha na anyị. Unu nwa gbara ọsọ ga welu ihe na anụnwa, which means ọ bụ a different USB than the ihe na anụnwa ọbata obie created. The mandate of ọbata obie created. Ihe unu na-eme dị iche n'ihe anyị nwa na-achọ. You got to go, these are two different things. But these people, nwoke ma wo Ngozi Orabueze, ewerugo onye suchicha ha niile anya. Negodi nwaanyị nke onwe ya Tina. Iweruzie etu o si agwa Obieze okwu, wee mara etu o si ama na-eji ihe na be ya.
Exactly.
Ama m nkwe nwoke ya na-agba bi. Ihe ọma ya na-agba kere kwa ụkwa.
Nwoke ya na-agba bi na WhatsApp group weze amụrụ n'obi. Ibe niile anyị fụrụ ebe ahụ ndị ọ na-ekele ihe ọ na-ese onye na-eme ibe WhatsApp group. Ọnwụ na ebe amado onye ndị ese ndiziri ibe. So onye ọ na ya kọmpọt.
Onye mere o ji si ya n'ihe ahụ platform ha. Ị na-aghọta? So meaning na ha ejighị okwu. Ihe a niile na-eme n'ala Igbo. Ha ejighị okwu. So ya na-ekwu ụmụ ọma anụma n'ebe ahụ jiri isi ya na-aghọrọ mgbọ na-edifend onwe ha. Ụzi ndị a na-asụ na-emebi ala. Ngozi gbara ha niile mkpuchi anya wee were idea chụsịsịa these people. Were idea jiri aka ya na-eke create onwe ya ndị ọ chọrọ ka ya na-ana abọlụkọ ọrụ na-enyelu Biafra asị. Kịta anụ eziokwu niile apụta gị ihe na ya na these people anọ. Ọpụtakwa na disend ihe na-anụnwa si ya suspend go bute ụzọ. Ị na-suspend bute ụzọ ịchụpụrụ since last year. Agency.
Yes.
And you said there are some pictures what is going on. I wish I want to know America. They believe on a Biafra, China, Biafra, they will look at a USD government. Hand it over to US government. Macron over that can register here. So how you like investigate that company? Why here? I wish Singapore FBI, United States, a USB government, Ngozi Orabueze, led by Ngozi Orabueze, Nando Tienine, Oge Kere, Nando Tienine, how investigate here, what exactly what they are doing. Nigeria,
no, before you never go to
Nigeria. Everyone know how you went out and next time you see what Nigeria. Now I got a boom mother. I think I'm going to buy that for you. Government. I don't want to go with that. Report from Ngozi a group here. So the US government, go and now say you will register their group. Not terrorist group. They need to investigate them. What do you have to go? Their friends in Yaha, well, a bit get down, the Guinea Chairman. Oh, but I see a report here in our one attack. I want to go buy that report to her. This is getting too much. The stupidity is getting too much. Mama reason why this is and Ngozi, I got you where you can put a cook where's your cook. Name people can know. These people put on social media now where to see. Government on social media. Everyone when you need a doma, Udana Gadi Achira. Why don't you register in America? Unemo office in Nigeria. Everything in America. Season van one is the Gando. I got with our families. And there are mad people everywhere. Who want a vote? Orugon where anyone do know America Numa. I am Ngozi in America. We know who we are. Orugon by the all US government and then report USE and their associations. And then just hear you they blow that whistle. And when you have all whistle blowing here or in any government, we will call the US government, FBI, and blow that whistle to them and open the window for investigation for USB and Ngozi Orabueze. And let them check them out. And when they made the real, US will tell us. And they don't have to know our name. We need to gather ourselves secretly.
Yes, yes, anonymous.
That would be my suggestion. Yeah.
The person who each of the Godafa age will declare age will register that place here also embassy. Because now that's not annual that's not all embassy but I put on social media. Yes, now put on your no embassy call that's never does now just to make you see I will get a person I will address. But I are now questioning them by the no embassy. True to no embassy, no more even declare an embassy Guinea. Now everybody we're going to the country when we embassy. Oh, yeah, so only I'm going to the name age will register that place first. Oh, because I'm at them 100% sure that's not we don't have a go see. And one of those a register with Biafra. One of those where was Biafra. Because I would have one of those where was Biafra before that age you did already had to go to show. Get the name any that place. They know no for the name any on a Mazekuni to be sincere to you.
And then I need the Regan at their platform.
And the
open FBI now check it their platform.
Yes.
You don't go to Orabueze. They post on a platform here. Now everyone is shared. We also know Ngozi Orabueze be here in Georgia. So investigate your address here in Georgia. Because yes. When we go to your address here in Georgia and when we go to Washington DC.
Okay.
So check all those informations and chop it in all about.
Yes.
Because under the guise of enough practitioner. Under the guise of a nurse practitioner, now all with Georgia state government, and no now run government, make believe government, or what real government, make believe government.
Anyway, you have heard it all. I decided not to say anything so that you can have the full version of the video. Please tell me what you think about it. I would like to hear from you after hearing this from so-called Biafran people. Please, I would like to hear from you. God bless you. Share the video. Share it so that people, so that they themselves will hear it. To know that no matter what they won't. God bless you. Please like the video and share it. God bless you. Bye bye.